Hey, how you doing, everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free training, I'm going to be showing you how to combine AI tools with automation in order to create effortless content and also to get increased traffic from pretty much any social network that you can think of. So the automation tool that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is called Make, formerly known as Integromat, but there's also another tool that's I believe to be just as effective, and it's IFTT, which stands for If That Then This. And this is what it looks like here. You can pretty much connect all of your apps together and create a seamless automated experience. For instance, it can be used to connect your RSS feed with any social media platform that you have, and you can pretty much have it so anytime something gets published onto your website, it automatically gets posted onto the Facebook business page or Twitter or what have you. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, and I'm also going to be showing you how to use a paraphrasing tool called Quill, and you pretty much just put any of the content that you get from the artificial intelligence tools, and I pretty much just recommend taking each paragraph or some paragraphs and putting it in this tool here, and it'll rewrite it for you. That way you can pass Google or any of the other search engines artificial intelligence AI content generator check, because if they find out that it's artificially generated content, what they'll do is they actually penalize that if you're trying to rank in the search engine. So that just a heads up, you can use this. It's called Quillbot, and I'll leave this in the description as well. So I wanted to show you this website that I'm working on. It's called Health and Fitness Tips, and I'm using this website in conjunction with ChatGPT, Make, and there's also another app that I'm going to share with you. It's called Synthesia. And you can come here to create videos. So say if you create content from ChatGPT, or you give it a prompt, say, hey, make me a health and fitness article with 10 different ways to lose weight. And then you take that article and then you can actually create videos, artificially generated videos will look almost indistinguishable from humans. So you only get 10 credits per month if you use the $30 plan. But as you can see, you can use any one of these avatars here. So it actually explains it here, but 1 credit is actually 1 minute of video. So you can create 10 TikTok style videos, which is like 1 minute each, or you can create 20, 30-second style videos, or you can just create 3-minute videos a month. And it's up to you. But if you're trying to publish a lot of content and you only want to use the $30 one, then I highly recommend that you just keep it up to 1 minute. So it's really easy to do, especially with the atmosphere that we're in right now as far as like condensed video format. So, but that is an idea. You can take the content that you get from ChatGPT or OpenAI's Playground, which is another site that I want to show you, which is pretty much the same thing as ChatGPT, but without the limitations. And you can take any of the scripts that you get from here and you can put it in Synthesia and have them create a video for you, so you can put it on your blog post. Now, I want to show you how you can create content real quickly with, say, ChatGPT. I'm going to use Playground, OpenAI, but basically, just for an example, I'll just say, hey, write a 300-word article about how to lose weight in 14 days. And then you click on submit, and then it'll pretty much write the article for you. So are you looking to shed some pounds in the next couple of weeks? Losing weight in 14 days can be a challenge, but it is possible. Now, the thing about OpenAI's Playground is you have these different options on the right-hand side. You can put like the maximum length right here, the temperature, which is controls the randomness, lowering the results in less random completions. As the temperature approaches 0, the model will become deterministic and repetitive. And you actually have your different type of models here, and they break each one of them down, but the one that I believe is ChatGPT is the DaVinci model 003, but you can also try these other different models here. But they explain it. Most capable model in GPT-3 series can perform any task the other GPT-3 models can, often with higher quality, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So once you get your actual article, and I'm not sure if this is actually 300 words, but there's a website called Online Character Count where you can just check to see if it is. So I'm just going to go there real quick. So I'm just going to take the article that I copied from them, and I'm going to paste it in here. And as you can see, 280 words, which is fine. Even though I said 300, I'm going to go ahead and take this. And what I can do is I can actually take some of it, and then I'll copy and go to paraphrasing tool. And then Quillbot will actually take that and spit it out for me. So I'll say paraphrase this, and it'll just pretty much rewrite the whole thing. So to keep yourself motivated, set short-term goals that are achievable. And it started at the top. Attainable short-term goals to keep oneself motivated. Set a goal to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, for instance, and it actually highlights the words that it's changing. So as you can see here, it says example, over here it says instance. And this is just a great way to kind of get around Google's detector, where they can detect if a website is using AI to create the content or not. You can try this. A lot of people recommend it, but you just take the paraphrase version of the article and you use that instead, so that you're able to actually rank in the search engines for that article. And then I'll put this blog post template for this article, like this template here, where you can just pretty much take the content that you get from ChatGPT, add a couple of headers, italicize some of the words, bold some of the text, and then, put some pictures, et cetera, et cetera. And then you can pretty much just put the article that you get right here. And then you can put the video that you get from Synthesia, this platform here. You can pretty much just have this lady or any one of these avatars create a video for you about your script, and you can kind of get it down to 1 minute. And then you put that video here, and you can have your call to action to whatever your sales funnel is. Will it be a freebie incentive, your opt-in page? You can put it right here. You can change the text on all of this, put the tools and the resources that's mentioned in the video, and then you can actually have ChatGPT create another some more text for you, or like a quick little ad copy for your opt-in incentive of your sales funnel. So I'll go ahead and have this in the description. If you have Optimized Press, if you click on the link below, pretty much it'll redirect you to your Optimized Press dashboard in the template section, and it'll tell you that you have successfully received it. And then all you gotta do is just go to WordPress and then open up Optimized Builder, and you will see it in the template. So just click on My Templates and you'll see the blog post template come up. And you can use this. It should help the process become so much easier. That way you don't have to design the entire blog post from scratch. So that's all you got to do. You just take this and you take the article, and then basically once you're done with your blog post, what you can do on make.com is you can actually integrate it with the rest of your platform. So whether it be Make or If That Then This, you can pretty much, so what you can do on Make and the other website that I'll tell you about, and I'll leave both of these in the description, is If That Then This. You can actually have these websites connect to Facebook page, or it can be Twitter, or it can be Pinterest attached to it. You can have LinkedIn attached to it. So there's a lot of different scenarios and use cases. At this very moment right now, I'm not able to connect anything. It keeps even though I have my ad blocker off, it just keeps refreshing over and over again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just basically going to give you a brief description on how it works, kind of paint a picture for you. But basically all you got to do is once you publish your blog post, you take that RSS feed, which you should be able to do if you have a WordPress site. You already have that access. So if you don't have WordPress and you're using a different platform such as Shopify, etc., I just recommend going to Google and typing in Shopify RSS feed or how to get access to your feed. But if you have WordPress, all you gotta do is just put your domain name in and then /feed. And then automatically you just take that and then you can plug it into where you can integrate your RSS feed. So every time something gets published to that website or onto that feed, you can have it so it automatically gets posted onto whether it be your Twitter, your Instagram, or you can make it so every time you publish something onto your Instagram that you can convert it into a tweet photo, like a photo tweet, and then have it automatically published on Twitter. You can even use this for Facebook business pages. You can connect your business page to your RSS feed. Then there's also a lot of other things that you can do as well. You can connect it to your email account, and then you can have it export all of the different contacts and emails onto a spreadsheet. And then you can take that spreadsheet and use it for a variety of different things. So there's a ton of different other use cases that you can use with Make. So I've actually found this website to be just as useful and pretty similar to the other one that I was telling you about. It's called If That Then This, basically IFTT. And you can pretty much do the same thing here. As I was telling you, you can connect it to all of the different social media platforms. You can have your Instagram photos get put into a native Twitter photo. You can have events on your iPhone calendar with Google Assistance. You can make your voice assistant more personal. There's a lot of different things that you can do, but the one that I recommend trying out to get some traffic from every platform is when we connect your RSS feed to all the different social media tools. All right. So yeah, I highly recommend that you check that out and see how it works out for you. And by all means, if you have any ideas, please feel free to throw them in the comment section. But just to do a quick recap, you can basically use the blog post template that I provided in the description. It's going to be pretty blank. It's going to come out like this, and you can fill it up with information that you get from ChatGPT or OpenAI Playground, the more advanced, less limited version of ChatGPT. You put a prompt in there, have it write you an article, then you fill out this blog post. And so in regards to the video, you can actually take that same script and tell it to rewrite it to make it so it fits into a 1-minute video format, and take that script and go to Synthesia and actually have this avatar create 10 different videos for you, 1-minute style videos, because On the pricing, the $30 one, you only get 10 credits per month, and one video credit equals 1 minute of video. So then you take that video and you put it back onto your blog post. So you just connect your lead magnet here, your opt-in incentive, and fill out the rest of this information, and then have your lead magnet on the right hand side as well as right here. And then all you got to do from there is you just connect your blog post, like you just connect your RSS feed by just taking your domain and then putting feed after it. And then you copy that and you put it into Make or IFTT, and then connect this to all of your different social media platforms. That way, every time you publish a new blog post, it gets automatically distributed to all those networks, all right? Giving you a pretty much a spike in traffic on autopilot, all right? So yeah, I hope that you find this video helpful. This is pretty much how you can combine artificial intelligence tools such as ChatGPT and OpenAI's Playground, and then connect it with softwares like Make and IFTT, and also use platforms like Synthesia to create videos for the scripts that you get from the artificial intelligence tools. And then you can also use this paraphrasing tool in order to reword it so it's able to get past Google's AI generator detector. All right. So yeah, that'll pretty much be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website, jonathancoast.net. I'll talk about everything when it comes to increasing sales and generating traffic. And also be sure to look at the tools and resources below. I talked about a lot in this video, and I included a lot of different resources and websites. So I'll be sure to have that down there. And so with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.